Netflix cast to TV. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can cast Netflix to TV, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, in order to cast Netflix to TV, all you have to do is basically open up the Netflix application that you will be able to find here, and then you can just go ahead and then hit your profile and then log into one of your profiles. And once you log into one of your profiles, you will be able to see this type of interface where you should be able to see all this. Now you'll find the cast icon from the top right hand side of the screen, so you can basically tap the cast icon from the top right there, and then here you'll be able to find Office TV. Now, sorry, not Office TV, but any of the other TVs that you might have. So just go ahead and select the TVs of your choice from which you're trying to cast, and then you can select that and Netflix will get casted to your TV. This way you can cast Netflix to TV. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.